Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye. We're the RC Sailors, and we are still, look at that. Look at the reflection. We're still at the beach. This time we have another truck that we're gonna share with you. It's pretty cool actually. When we found it, it was about $35, but it seems like every time we release these videos, the price shoots right up, so be prepared for that. But we'll have it linked in the description box below. Check this little guy out. 4-wheel drive. It resembles like an Axial SCX-10. Remember that Toyota Hilux we did? And just other similar vehicles. Now, I don't think, yeah, this actually does have lights pre-installed in here as well. So the headlights, they're actually working LEDs. I don't think the tail lights are working, but look how cool this looks. Very nice looking truck, very detailed. I like this a lot.
There's all this stuff that kind of came
Yes,
with it.
so not only is it this detailed, but it has things like door handles, chrome door handles, rear view mirror. See where the holes are right there?
Light bucket set.
Light bucket set. All that stuff is in here. You're just gonna glue that on. It has like little winch hooks on the front. All kinds of goodies in there. Like Abby said, light bucket set, bumper. The spare tire is actually a usable tire. This is a very nice little attention to detail in here with the steering wheel and all that stuff. Guess how much this cost?
I think you already said $35.
I didn't say it in the video, but yeah, 35.
You did say
did
it
I
in
say
the
it? Right? Oh, yeah. Well, I'm getting old. It's actually ready to run. There's the dedicated transmitter. Not anything extremely fancy.
Non-proportional.
Non-proportional. And it does have a rechargeable battery. Here is the little USB charger and a, looks like a 5-cell nickel cadmium battery. There you go. 700 milliamp. Now you could probably convert that to LiPo, but that'd be a little job. A lot of guys like to buy cool, cheap trucks and then have them converted. So anyway, there's this little park down the road Abby and I are going to drive to. We're going to leave him here to cool off. It's a little hot out, and see how this does. I like it for the price. I think it's pretty awesome, but it might be, you know, it might be one of those things that's just a letdown when you start driving.
Or it's just going to be for little kids.
Could be.
Yeah.
Okay, check this out too. This is one of my favorite things, how you put the battery in. You just push in on the toolbox here. I think this is how it does it. Yeah, that lifts up. Check this out. I really like how this is installed in here. It goes under the toolbox, and you just don't see something cool like that all the time. And there's actually ample space for a bigger battery if you really wanted to on both sides there, and just in depth. And then the cord has ample room to tuck in there, battery box, and it's a good place for it, like the CG. And then this piece that looks like metal, it actually is metal. So there's a little bit of metal framing there, mostly plastic. I like how let's see how this is. It's got the joint for clearance. It's very nice, very nice. I think that this, it's low key, like the steering trim is here, but you know, you've got some nice things too. A little bit of aluminum, attention to detail, the lights. So the real question is going to be, how does it run? So let's go do that. It's very windy, so bear with us, but we found a cool little spot. It has that non-proportional steering. It's like all or nothing, but the throttle is proportional, so we can go slow or very fast.
Oh, good.
Yeah. There's the engine. And I'm just going very slow right now, but it's driving along really well. Like, it feels nice and scale. The headlights look great. Let's go into the shade here. Abby, we're gonna run into an alligator in here probably.
I feel like it.
Now let's go full throttle. That's full throttle with it, just so you know.
It's a crawler.
It's a crawler. It's a scale little crawler. I like this. I think there are a lot of people out there that would really like this. Pick one up and maybe modify it. Let's go stand over in the shade. It is so hot.
There's some rocks over here.
Oh, okay. Let's see if it can actually crawl on rocks. The transmitter is very basic, but I'm able to get around. Let's see if we can just crawl up these rocks here.
No, no.
No, we're good. I'm just barely, oh, there we're stuck a little bit. There we go. It's geared nice and low, so I can just kind of wiggle around so I can make it up over something.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, there's full throttle on asphalt, so you can see it. Okay, I like that. That was cool. Abby, I'll let you drive. Feels very scale. I like that a lot. Up into the briery thorns you go. Can you climb this hill? Pretty good hill for down here. I think you're getting hung up on a stick under the truck. It's hard to see it, but there's a stick there. There's a lot of ants under my feet.
Yeah, me too.
I don't like this spot. Okay, back up and then go. See if we can go.
As far as it can go.
That's it. I'll bet I can conquer it. Let me give it a go.
Okay. The ants are attacking.
Okay, let's get out of here. Let's head down closer to the beach.
Okay. Just keep moving your feet. They won't get you.
See how it handles this big giant variable. Oh, it didn't. Yeah, this is a good little truck. I like it a lot.
All right, let's beach it up.
Beach with the truck. Oh, it's doing well. It could have done one of two things. It could have just sunk right in or cruise right along, and it's cruising pretty well. Very much a crawler. I like it. Maybe test the range a little bit on it here.
Okay.
It's going to take a while to test the range.
Okay, I'll zoom out so we can get a better feel for it.
For a crawler, there, that was it right there.
Okay, so what, 30 feet?
No,
40 feet? 50 feet? 60 feet, no.
Yeah, not super far, cut out there. But you don't really want to go too far with a crawler anyway. Most of the time you're right on top of the crawler when you're driving it.
Good peel out.
Good peel out. Nice. Oh, it's hot.
It's very hot.
It's a scorcher. But the truck was pretty cool. We drove it around on the sand there. We may not have been able to talk to you because it's very windy on the beach. So sorry about that, but it was really fun to drive on some rocks. Handled the grass well. Obviously the asphalt posed no issues. And on the sand it was fun. I sprayed off the sand when we were finished at the little foot washing station.
Toward the end of the battery life, it was going really slow. So we got about like a 10-minute drive time.
Yes, which is okay, but considering it's a nickel cadmium that has to be charged pretty much overnight, I don't love that. So I would want it to be upgraded to a LiPo. For those of you that can do that sort of thing, this would be a very fun project. The center of gravity was good. I only rolled it one time when I drove it over a curb, which was taller than it. What scale is that? 1/32nd? No, it's not 1/32nd. That'd be way too small.
It's like 1/18.
Yeah, and I like that size. The headlights are pre-installed. Very good little scale truck. As long as they keep it under about 45 bucks or so, you're getting a great deal. You hit $50, you know, you might want to wait till it goes back on sale, but when we got ours, it was like $33.
A pretty awesome crawler.
That's a great crawler. If you wanted to buy a...
But we had that green and black one on the channel a couple weeks ago,
Yeah,
a few
but
weeks
that one
ago.
didn't look scale.
Well, it didn't look scale.
But it performed very well.
It performed better than this one.
Yeah.
But this one looks cooler.
This one looks way cooler, and it still performed very well. Slightly longer runtime is really all I would ask for, but that's because we were having fun. It was a great little truck. Great introductory for a kid wanting to get into scaling. If you're a big kid at heart like us, you're gonna love this thing. If you've never owned a scale crawler before, then I see no reason why this shouldn't be your very first one. It even comes with those extra little accessories, which a lot of guys, half the fun in scale stuff is like adding a toolbox to the back and adding a little spray paint to make it look like
really
it's
cool.
rusty or whatever. This comes with stuff that you can already get that going. So I like that. I really honestly did. It was a lot of fun. I give 2 thumbs up just for the price and how much fun it is, the fun factor. Really good little truck. We'll have it linked in the description box below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. I highly encourage you to click if you're an early squad person, click the link and pick one up, because what we've been noticing, especially now, if we give something 2 thumbs up, then the very next day it's either sold out or the price just skyrockets. So be aware of that. If it does skyrocket or sells out, then check back in a week or 2 and it might settle back down. So I don't know why companies are doing that. I guess because they can. But when they see that increased traffic, they do that. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.